everyone, it's Jennifer again from Concepts by Jennifer D. And right now I wanted to share with you guys how I make my signature salsa. It's based off of my favorite salsa from a Mexican restaurant in California. It's called El Toritos. And I've perfected this salsa recipe for about, I'd say 12 years now. And I always get asked what my recipe is, and so today I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. So for this recipe you're going to need some cilantro, a jalapeno, some serrano peppers, sea salt, ground cumin, and some Italian seasoning, half an onion, some green onions, and about 7 large Roma tomatoes, a food processor, and of course this cutting board and knife to prep everything. And let's go for it. So first I always put the cilantro in because it always gets caught up in my food processor. And then I'm going to use about a half of jalapeno. I just quarter it and just throw it in. This is an easy recipe. You don't need to cook or do anything. It's very healthy. Has lots of good vitamins and nutrients. So I added 1 small serrano, and I'm going to do the tip of this other one. If you want it spicier, you can do it spicier, but I have kids eating this, so I don't want to blow their socks off. So I'm taking these green onions, it's about 4 of them, and I just cut the ends off and then cut them in half. And my onion is already cut in quarters. My Roma tomatoes just cut in fourths. I use this salsa just for chips and salsa. You could put it in for queso and salsa, on top of nachos, tacos, enchiladas, any place you love salsa. You could store it in the refrigerator. It stays good and fresh up to 3 days. And then after 3 days, which ours never lasts that long, but if it does, it doesn't taste very good. So this is fresh salsa to be eaten the day of or the day after. So I'm adding some dashes of sea salt. And I'm add 1 small dash of cumin because my kids and my husband aren't a big fan, and some Italian seasoning. And that is it. We're going to blend this up. Just press it on low. Scrape the sides down. We've got some big chunks of onion up there still. And that is it. How simple is that? Then you could just plate it up and eat it with some chips. Got yourself some fresh chips and salsa that you didn't have to buy from the store, and you made yourself, and everyone's gonna want your recipe. So there you go. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cool videos, and I will be doing some giveaways soon. So thanks for joining me.